What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker. I'm Dave. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, real quick, YouTube. Man, your boy worked a 12-hour shift yesterday. I'm tired. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get this over with real quick so your boy can get a little sleep. And hopefully tomorrow I have a little bit more spring in me. You know what I'm saying? I got 9 orders I got to ship out. I got some slacks I gotta make. The boys gotta get up. They gotta read. They gotta get their schoolwork together. Gotta show my wife some attention. It's crazy right now. Alright, so anyway, let's just get into what I sold. Alright, before that, I watched over on Tommy Bernard's channel. He went live with Craigslist Hunter, Tracy, and Heart Picker, and it was a great show last night, man. It kept me entertained. I was at work. They went about 3 hours, man. So you know, I worked 12-hour shift, and they pretty much knocked a quarter of my day out. Yes, sir. But now they had a lot of gems, man. They was talking about all kind of different things, man. So if you ain't caught it over on Tommy Bernard's channel, check it out. First thing I got going out is this Indiana's license plate. I got this on Hybrid. I was bidding on it on Hybrid.com, but it was a local auction. I went to pick it up, and believe it or not, man, these things is going for I sold it for $25.50, free ship. It's gonna be easy ship. All I'm gonna probably do is get 2 Cobra pieces, slide in the potty mailer, and be done with it. All right. Second thing I got going out is this GE plant light. It's like a halogen accent stake light. Now, I know they ain't trying to light up no flowers with this, alright? If you understand what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? They doing some old illegal activity stuff. This sold for $31.49. With shipping, they about $44.70 into this. So, great sale. I picked this up from the Goodwill for about $3.99. So this is a great sale right here. Yes, sir. Next thing I got is this old Initial DVD player. I got this from a $30 sale from a guy. I remember I met up with him. This is back when all this virus and stuff first started. And dude tried to give me a handshake when we got out the car. I wasn't having it. I had to throw an elbow at him. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, I got a lot of good stuff out there. I got over 30 items. I paid $30, so I'm less than $1 into this. And this sold for, this is not really a good one. I sold for $12.99 plus shipping. They're about $25 into it. So I wasn't gonna list it, but I'm trying to see how much money I can make out of this deal. So I told myself I'm gonna list everything that he gave me, even though a lot of them are not big money items. But I sold one of the DVD players for like $100 and something. So I'm in a profit. I was in a profit a long time ago in this deal. So yeah, it's gone out of my hair. Next are these What the Dunk. Let me shut my door. These What the LeBrons. Well, let me show you both, because both shoes are different. Yeah, I've been having these since about 2013, man. I only wore these once. It's crazy. I remember getting these. And I bought them too small. They were size 10. I wore size 10 and a half, 11. And I wore them once and was like, man, they're too small. I'm going to go ahead and sell them. I'm going to do something with them. And I just never did. So they've been sitting back here and looking silly. These sold for $100 even. I took a best offer on these. I think I had them listed for like $125. He countered with like 90, and I went back at 100. And the reason why I went back at 100, because as y'all know, if you right now eBay got a deal on if you sell a shoe for $100 or more, no final value fees. So you don't get charged as far as the final value fees on an item over 100 or more, if it's a shoe anyway. So I've been trying to sell my shoes for that or more. I mean, all of them, of course, I can't sell for over 100, but most of them I can. There's a lot of them try to lowball me under $100, and you know, I can't do it. I can't sell a shoe for $99.99. Nope. You understand what I'm saying? You gotta save on them final value fees. So if you got a shoe and it's about $100, list it, man. You'll save on them fees. Next thing I sold was this blow dryer. I think it looks like a blow dryer, made by Conair. It sold for $30. Free ship. Only reason why I did free ship because these were going for about $21 plus shipping. Basically they weren't going for no more $30 for shipping, so I just went on and listed it for $30 and put the free shipping on there just to make it look like they was getting a sweeter deal. Yes, sir. And they sold, so that's going out. Next thing, some more shoes. So these Barkley Posits, I probably only wore these one time. These actually came out back in 2013 as well. Back in 2013 I was buying up everything. Anyway, so they've been sitting in my closet probably since then. This is one of them shoes, of course, you can't wear every day. You gotta have a perfect fit. Back in the day, I think I had a bunch of Phoenix Sun stuff. And of course, y'all know Phoenix Suns is purple. And I had these and they went with everything. So I'm not that flamboyant no more. I don't wear a lot of crazy colors like that. So I got rid of them. They sold for $85 plus shipping. They're about $100 into it when it's all said and done. And yeah, great sale. Next thing is these Shop Vac reusable dry filters. I got these from a Goodwill for like $1.99. They sold for $12.99, free shipping. These right here was one of the first things I bought, I remember. This along with some like tin cans, which I'm looking at now that I still got. Been sitting over chilling. Somebody finally bought them. So yes, when stuff like this sells, even if it don't sell for a lot, I'm just glad it sells, man. I mean, when you sit there and you pass it up every day, you're like, man, when are you gonna sell? Well, guess what? It's gone. And last but not least is this router. This is another one I got from that $30 deal where I got a bunch of electronics from a guy. The coronavirus tried to give me a handshake guy. This sold for $25, free ship. These are pretty cheap. Only reason why I put free shipping on it, like I was telling you last time, they was only going for like $15. I just went on and added the shipping in on the cost, and yeah, man, it's going out. These right here I've been shipping out. I don't know, I might have to put him in a box. Definitely gotta put him in a box. Yeah, so that's all I got going out right now. I actually just sold some Hot Wheels, like a lot that I got, which I will show y'all our next video, tell y'all about. And but I'm not gonna ship that out till tomorrow because it just sold and I'm not trying to deal with it right now. All right, so let me go ahead and get these packed up. I got a couple pair of socks I gotta make. I'm gonna show you guys those. All right, these first pair of socks are going out to a viewer. His name is Shane. Said they're a huge fan of the channel. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. All you people who watch the channel, I really do appreciate it. I've been no sleep, my brain's all crazy. But anyway, he sent me a picture of a cat. I'm guessing this is a cat. At first I was gonna crop the whole cat out, but his chin's covered up by something right there. So I just went on and did the whole picture. If I would have cropped him out and his chin would have been covered up, it would look kind of crazy. So I just used the picture you sent me, cropped it down a little bit. Still turned out very nice. Oh, seemed like I said something in their video. Anyway, I appreciate you, Shane, man. These will be right in the mail. These turned out great. I think you said you get them for somebody, so whoever you get them for, I hope they like them. The next pairs is going out to my guy. Like I told you, everybody who orders from me, it's my guy. Anybody who watches the channel is my guy, a girl. Not literally. But this is the second time they ordered from me, and they ordered a pair of customs as well. They sent me two logos. They sent me this logo and they sent me that one. And look like it's a football team, I'm guessing he's buying something from. Anyway, I cropped them out and just kind of threw them around the whole socks. I love the crazy way. This kind of my expertise, I guess, of just kind of going crazy with the sock. And these turned out great, man. I'm loving them. And I hope you like them, John, when you receive them. He actually purchased two pair. So here they go. They're going right in the mail. I don't know if these are from a viewer, but I'm showing them anyway. And some Cheeto socks. Flaming hot Cheetos. And, you know, it pretty much go around the whole sock. You know, Cheetos. Of course, when you put them together, spells Cheetos. Anyway, these are going out. Oh, Patricia, but I don't know if they're a viewer. They didn't leave a message, but I'm For some reason, I'm thinking they are. So, thanks a lot, Patricia, for buying the Cheetos. And that's pretty much it. I haven't forgot about the giveaway. And also, I'm gonna stamp another name or logo on this shirt probably next video. All right, I was gonna do this video, but I'm not all the way there, so I'm gonna wait. And by the time this shirt's done, it's probably gonna be black because gotta put this shirt under the heat press every time I do it. So I don't even know. I got a little list, but I don't even know who I'm going to put on here next because I haven't actually printed it out or did the logo or did it yet. So be ready for this. I don't know if I'm gonna do 1 or 2 people. We'll see. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here. I'm planning on doing my deck, so I want to kind of show you guys that. Actually, I think the last progress that I did with my deck, you actually seen. So my guy Scott's coming over, and I just got him in the reselling about a month ago, and he's already killing it, man. He's gonna do very good. He did flea markets for years and years, and this is his first time selling online. So I've been kind of showing him how to pack, you know, showing him the ropes of eBay and stuff like that, and he's catching on and killing it already. Even with this pandemic, he's finding stuff. I mean, I hate to see him because he started like maybe a week or 2 before everything shut down. So he's itching to get stuff, itching. And he's real good with his hands. He's the one, like I said, building or helping me build my deck or whatnot. And he's built a shed at his house, and maybe your boy might get his own eBay shed. We don't know yet. I don't know if I'm gonna go that way or not. So stay tuned for that. But I might pull the camera out and kind of introduce y'all to him because, you know, I'm with him pretty much every day. And he loves what I'm doing. And I love what he's doing because he's catching on, and he's, you know, actually opened my eyes to a little bit more. So anyway, I'm going to get some sleep, pack this stuff up, get some sleep, wake up, and hopefully I got something else to show you. If not, I end the video later. All right, let's go. Feels like a deck now, don't it? Got my guy Scott over here. Y'all know who Scott is. I'll talk about him a lot, but this is your first time seeing him. Scott finished doing all the spindles.
Over here decking around.
Yeah, there you go. It's looking like a deck now. All we need is some steps, and maybe my little dog can get up there. Right now, we've been throwing them off the back porch. Nah, we ain't throwing them actually, but looking good. So what you said next? A shed, eBay shed right there next? eBay shed? Y'all can't see, but he got a shed way down there. I can't zoom in on this GoPro that he built by himself. I mean, all by himself. I don't even see how you put all this stuff up. So we're gonna end it today. I gotta go work later. And the next, whenever you want to start the steps, just let me know. All right, real quick before we get out of here, I was gonna end it. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna go off into a nice smooth sunset showing y'all the deck. You know, we got the spindles done today. All we got left is the steps. Shout out to my guy Scott. I finally met him. He lives a couple doors down. He was like, you know what? We got all this time. Let's build a deck. And I was like, okay, let's build a deck. So we got the deck almost done. Taking a little longer than expected. We was gonna knock it out in 4 days, but we got rain and all that crazy stuff because I had to go back to work. So we only got the steps left, and we'll be done. Anyway, as I was going into the house, the mailman showed up with a package. You know what I'm saying? And I looked at it and it said, Kevin. I'm like, who's Kevin? It's from Kevin over at Commonwealth Picker. Commonwealth Picker. And he also got a second channel called Commonwealth Flipper. Check him out. I'm sure all of y'all know who he is. He's a smart guy. He knows a lot. He's killing it in the eBay game. And his channel's growing real fast, man. He's doing a lot of it. Just, you know, I'm not gonna say too much about him. Just go over and check him out, and you'll be glad you went over there. So I have no idea what this is. Let's just open it up. All right. I'm talking silly. Oh, I had to get the Major Key Alert liney knife. If you ain't got one, go get one. You know what? You can't get one because it's sold out right now. But he got more on the way, so go over and follow Lonnie as well if you want one of these handy dandy knives. All right. This seems like a commercial, man. I'm giving everybody shout outs. Oh man, here come my sons. Here we go with this. Anyway, I'm pretend like they're not there. Cam, this you? How's that, Devin?
It's me!
Alright, we got my son back there. He's about to play some Fortnite. So we got a box. Then we got another box. What's going on here? Kevin, what you got going on, man? You do some heck of a packing, and that's a good thing. You do all your packages like this? And then we got another box. Now I'm just playing. Oh, man. Hey, I'm glad I got one of these. When in doubt, poured it out.
Cassie, is that yours?
Commonwealth Picker.
Is that yours?
This is from my guy Commonwealth Picker over at Commonwealth Picker channel.
Who's that?
And not only did he give me that, this is nice, Kevin. He gave me some business cards. And he said, man, just returning the favor, the kindness. He said, just returning your kindness. This is my little girl's first business venture, Kevin. Oh man, this says Commonwealth Picker, follow us on YouTube. And this says the same thing. Then look, his daughter Reagan wrote something. Look, I hope you like my mug, Reagan. Oh man, so your daughter's doing these. Oh man, you should have told me. I'm gonna buy one of these. You can't just give me one. I gotta buy one too. So if she's already doing this, I don't know. I'm gonna have to check it out and get one. My son's. Hey, come here, Cam. We're gonna give Cam a little lesson right now because he's kind of on this business side too. Our daughter's about the same age as my son. He's 10 years old, and Commonwealth's Picker's daughter is selling mugs. This is her first business venture. You got something you want to do as far as making money?
Yeah.
Get up a little closer so I can hear you. What you want to do? I ain't gonna put you on the spot. We'll think about it.
I don't know.
But anyway, man, this is nice, Kevin, man. Thank you. And let me know when she's up and going. I'm guessing she's already up and going. Because I definitely want to buy another one of these. Because I'm a coffee drinker. I will use this. I need one to sit down in my eBay room. And I need one to drink my coffee in as well, alright? So, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it, man. This is nice, alright? I'm going to end the video there. Thank you lots. Thank you lots. And you know what? I forgot to give you my business cards too, Kevin. I will send you some. Thank you lots. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.